Hello, my name is Sophia. Today I want to tell you about my big family. There are 5 people in my family. My dad, my mom, my older sister, my younger brother, and me. But actually, there is one more family member. Her name is Tory. Tory is our tiny toy poodle. She is very small, but she thinks she is a big guard dog. She tries to protect the whole house, but she is only this big. Sometimes we laugh and say, "Tory, it's okay. You are very brave." Let me start with my dad. My dad's name is David. He is an architect. He works at an architecture firm and designs buildings. My dad works very hard, but he always makes time for the family. His favorite hobby is fishing. On weekends, he sometimes says, "Who wants to go fishing with me?" Sometimes I go with him. But Tory always wants to come
more
too.
interested in a nap.
She sits near the fishing bag and looks at us like this. "Are we going outside?" Now let me tell you about my mom. My mom's name is Emily. She is a nurse and works at a hospital. She helps many people every day. Her job is not easy, but she always smiles. My mom loves gardening. Our backyard is full of flowers and vegetables. Every morning, she waters the plants, and Tory follows her everywhere. Sometimes Tory tries to dig in the garden. My mom says, "Tory, not the plants." My older sister's name is Anna. She is 22 years old and studies business at university. She loves reading books and going to cafes. Sometimes we go to a cafe together. She usually drinks iced coffee. I usually order tea. But Tory always wants a snack. She sits under the table and looks at us with big eyes. And finally, my younger brother, Jake. He is 12 years old. He is very energetic and loves soccer. Every afternoon, he runs outside and says, "Let's play soccer." Sometimes Tory runs after the ball too, but the ball is bigger than her. She tries very hard to kick it. It is very funny. Dinner time is my favorite time. My whole family sits at the table together. We laugh, share stories, and enjoy being with each other. My dad talks about work. My mom shares stories from the hospital. My sister talks about university. My brother talks about soccer. And Tory sits under the table waiting for food. Sometimes she falls asleep there. But if someone drops food, she wakes up very fast. Dinner time is when we feel closest, sharing love, laughter, and little moments that make our family special. At night, Tory always wants to sleep with us. Sometimes she sleeps in my room. Sometimes she goes to my brother's room. Sometimes she jumps on my parents' bed. She walks around like she is checking the whole house. Maybe she is making sure everyone is safe. Even though she is tiny, She is our little protector. We laugh together. We support each other. And that makes our family very special. Now I want to ask you something. How many people are in your family? And do you have a pet? Tell me about them. Now let's review some useful English words and sentence patterns you can use in daily life with your family. Cozy. A place that feels warm, comfortable, and relaxing. Example, we live in a cozy house. Gardening, the activity of growing plants and flowers. Example, my mom enjoys gardening every morning. Energetic, having a lot of energy and being active. Example, my brother is very energetic. Support, to help or encourage someone. Example, my family always supports me. Bonding, spending time together and becoming closer. Example, dinner time is great for family bonding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to practice and share your story too.